So this is part 6 or 7 of my Samsung refrigerator. I've taped it up. I actually got it inside the house now, but I've got it all taped up everywhere I've cut. All the way down. But let's see, we got the copper line running up right there. And it's actually been about a month now since the last video. And she's cooling pretty good. Spot on. Actually got some beer in there. And it's making ice. But this is the same fridge. There's the model and serial. And she's cooling good now. We've got ice. Not as much ice as I'd like, but we use a lot of ice here. So in conclusion, don't buy a Samsung. Stay plain Jane, simple and cheap. Get a top and bottom refrigerator and stay away from these overpriced Samsungs.